Good day mga kanumero. At this time, we are going to tackle one of the theories of algebra, which is the mixed numbers or part of the fractions. Now, we are going to have 4 operations to be discussed in order for us to have more ideas with regards to these mixed numbers. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. To start with, let us have our sample 3 and 1/3 plus 5 and 1/4. So with this is just very simple. We are just going to add the whole number 3 plus 5, which is equivalent to 8, and then the fraction we need to cross multiply with this, just like 4 times 1, which is 4, and 3 times 1, which is 3. Now, try to look at the operation, which is the positive sign. So therefore, we just simply add 4 plus 3, which is equivalent to 7, and cross and then multiply the 3 times 4, which is 12. So the final answer mga kanumero is 8/7/12 for our example number 1. Now let's go to the subtraction. We have 6 and 2/3 minus 5 and 1/5. Again, we have the operation of the subtraction. So we just simply subtract our whole number 6 minus 5, which is equivalent to 1, and cross multiply again our fractions, which is 5 times 2 equivalent to 10, then 3 times 1 is 3. And the operation being used is subtraction. So we just simply subtract 10 minus 3, which is 7, and multiply our denominator of 3 times 5, which is equivalent to 15. Now, for our example number 2, our final answer is 1/7/15. Now, this could be much exciting. Our sample number 3 is 2 and 3/4 times 3 and 1/5. At this time, we need to convert our given into improper fraction. Okay? So, try to look at this one. 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 3 is equivalent to 11. Then, copy our denominator, which is 4. Then, the operation is multiplication. Same with the other one. We need to multiply 5 times 3, which is 15, plus 1 is 16. Copy again our denominator, which is 5. Now, we just simply multiply that one, the numerator and the denominator. So we have 11 times 16, we have 176, over 4 times 5 is 20, and this could be now our final answer. Okay? Now, same what we've done on example number 3, we need to convert this one into improper fraction. We have 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, which is 5, and copy the denominator of 2. Same with the operation, division. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1, this is 10, over, copy the denominator of 3, and by this, we had the shortcut in solving with the division of fraction. Okay, cross multiply, then the value would be your numerator. 5 times 3 is equivalent to 15. Then 2 times 10 as your denominator, which is equivalent to 20. So our final answer is 15/20. So that's all mga kanumero. Just simply like, follow, and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.